Damn it, where is that phone? Where is that phone? This ringtone is so annoying. Come on, where is it? What? Okay, found it.
Hey Noel, do you remember of the Halloween party of this evening? Don't even start. Listen. We have to put our best costumes because last year we lost the prize, and this year I want that damn prize. Don't even start, please. Put your best costume, and I'm putting mine. So I'm waiting for you at 8 o'clock at my house as usual. Okay? Be on time. Don't be late, please. Don't be late. Thank you. Bye.
Come on, my homie, don't be desperate. I'm here to help. Come on, I'm here to help. So, do you have an Halloween costume for this evening? Think. Okay, I'm waiting. Wait, what in the hell is this? What is this? Is that the Karen wig? Wait, the wig is even that is not even good. And also you did the devil last year. You have to change, come on. I can help you. Yeah, I will help you. Come on. Put away that wig and this devil art, please. Okay, let's go. So let's go with my homie Luigi. Luigi is the best Mario brother. I don't want any argument on it. His costume is pretty simple. You need a green snapback hat, a green sweater, some overalls, and a pair of brown shoes, and the costume is done. For the second best brother, that is Mario, I'm wearing my thrifted beret from Amsterdam with my thrifted red fleece sweater, my thrifted overalls from Germany, and my Aesth boots. And yeah, even Mario is pretty simple. You can draw a mustache with your makeup as you do with Luigi, and that's it. So for Waluigi, you need some makeup. You need some white cream makeup, some red cream makeup, and some black cream makeup to do his face. For my sassy army, I'm wearing my Asus beret with my thrifted Aesth fleece sweater, my thrifted overalls, and my loafers. And also, you can add a rose to add some spice to your Waluigi outfit. For this stubborn brother that is Wario, I'm taking a different route because I didn't have a yellow sweater, so I'm wearing my thrifted yellow cardigan with my thrifted tie, my Murano button-up shirt with my thrifted purple, not fuchsia hat, my overalls, and my Vans Old School. My costume for Fred is pretty easy, just a thrifted sweater with my thrifted striped button up, my yellow tie, my thrifted wampum jeans, and my loafers as usual. And I did already Scooby Doo lookbook in the past, I will leave it down below or up here. For Shaggy, I didn't want to die of cold, so I'm wearing my thrifted button up with my thrifted Fisher vest, with my thrifted corduroy trousers that are from European Project, and my loafers to finish the look. This has to be one of my favorite costumes ever, and for this look, I'm wearing my black cape with my thrifted 80s blazer with my thrifted gray vest, a white papillon, my white button up, a fake rose, some black trousers, and my H&M loafers to finish the look with the mask. Pretty iconic. No running in my lobby. So I'm doing Mr. Mosby since I never see anyone doing a Mr. Mosby look for Halloween. So you just need a suit, a tie, a button up, and some derbies, and the look is done. This is the alter ego in that episode where Mr. Mosby was the opposite of usual. And I'm wearing my thrifted snapback hat with my vintage sunnies, my thrifted suit, my thrifted tie, my Murano button up shirt, and my derbies to finish the look. And also now we show you how you can do your tag. You just need some yellow paper, some scissors, a black pen and some cardboard. You write on the yellow paper the name and you wrap it around the cardboard and then you use a pin so that you can attach it to your suit and the result is done. Actually, this is the result. So another easy outfit idea could be James Bond. I took inspiration from the Sean Connery portrayal of James Bond, and it's pretty easy. I did this gun out of cardboard and tape, and you can use a black blazer with a white bow tie. I had the white bow tie, but you can use a black bow tie with a button up, some high-waisted trousers, and some dress shoes. I have my H&M loafers and some sunnies to finish the look. So this is American Psycho, a movie from the 2000s, and I don't know why I didn't do it years before, but this year I'm doing it. And for this costume, you need a Walkman, some headphones, and aches. You need your blazer. I have my thrifted 80s suit with my thrifted tie, my white button-up, my suit trousers, my H&M loafers, and my vintage headphones, and also a transparent poncho coat to finish the look. And for the makeup, you just need some fake blood sprayed on your face, and that's it. So you need some white cream makeup and some black cream makeup, but don't do my mistake of putting all the white makeup on your face at once because it looks ugly. And don't do my same mistake, please. Don't do it. Don't do it. Wait, actually, I know why I did that mistake. It's because I had the blood from the American Psycho. I didn't want to wash my face to waste time, so I don't know why I put makeup on top, and yeah, the result is not the best. But yeah, for first you need this makeup. You need a total black outfit. I'm wearing my thrifted leather jacket with my black trousers, and to finish the look, always my H&M loafers And it's pretty easy, to be honest. This has to be one of the most easiest Halloween costumes ever. Now let's go back to the 80s. I will do this Miami Vice outfit. I already did a lookbook on Miami Vice some years ago. I will leave it down below or up here. And I'm wearing my white t-shirt with my suit, my 80s green suit, and my Rockport loafers with some fun socks, and my vintage sunnies. And also with this outfit, you have to pair a fake gun that I did with the cardboard. It's the same that I used for the James Bond outfit, and this is the result. Now let's go forward to the 90s, to the boy bands, and actually I took inspo from NSYNC and HOT. That is a K-pop group from the 90s that was very, very big. And my favorite track from HOT is Candy for sure, and from NSYNC has to be Bye Bye, yeah. And I took inspo from those two groups, and I'm wearing my thrifted snapback. No, it's a newsboy paper paperboy hat from Cabaret World, with my Y2K sunnies, with my overall, with my Pull and Bear tee, with my vintage windbreaker, and I'm pairing it also with my Vensel Skull and an yin and yang necklace that I thrifted in Kiel. Oops, did I do that? This is the Steve Urkel outfit as my last outfit for this Halloween costumes video. Also, we are back in the 90s and with the nerds, and Steve Urkel is the epitome of nerd culture. And I'm wearing my thrifted button up with my suspenders, my thrifted bow tie, my thrifted cardigan, with my jeans and my Rockport loafers with white socks. That's a very important detail of the outfit. Don't miss that. And my 80s glasses to finish the look. So hope you enjoyed this Halloween lookbook, and you can use any of these cool ideas for your next Halloween party you are invited to this week or next week. And I will see you very, very soon. It was very, very fun doing this lookbook. Although doing 14 different outfits, it was a lot of work. Actually, I wanted to do 20, but I was tired. It was enough. Like 14, but good ones. Like are okay. So we'll see y'all very, very soon, and have an happy Halloween.